Okay, everyone here. Okay, we continue. Okay, before we start, create our first VM, first visual machine. Okay, we check our network adapter on the VMware. Yeah, click edit, visual network editor. Okay, then select VMnet 0. Okay, if you can't see the VMnet 0, just at the bottom, click change setting. Can you see above the help button? Change setting. Click on the button, change settings. Click yes. Okay, we will. Now you have another one, VMnet 0. Okay, VMnet 0. VMnet 0 is for bridge. Okay, what is this different bridge, host only, and net? Bridge mean our VMware will use same network card with same network card with the physical machine. It will replicate. Okay, it will use same network card. For the if we select host only, it will share IP address with the host. Okay, this VMware workstation is the guest. Every VM you create in this VMware workstation will be guest. The host is this, our host, the main system, this Windows, not the VMware. Every machine you create in the VMware will be the guest. So if we select this host only, the guest system on the VMware will share the same IP address with the host. If you select net, okay, net means every IP you set in the VM will be translated by the host for your VM to go outside. Okay, if your VM want to go to the internet, the VM IP will be translated by host to the by host to outside IP. Or if you select bridge will you will use same network card with the host, and you can create different IP address. It seems like you have your own IP. Okay, make sure this one we will use this bridge connection. So you must don't use automatic. Okay, bridge 2 you change to our gigabit network. Okay, this cable. Okay, select the cable connection. If you have a Wi-Fi connection, don't use Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi not stable. Okay, because after this we will install a Linux server. So the Linux server will have to download many updates from the Linux sites. So we need a stable connection. So we will use a LAN cable network. So select the cable network, and then click apply. Click OK. Okay, everyone get it? Okay. If you lost or you're stuck at any stage, any step, just inform me. Okay. Okay, now we want to create our first visual machine. Okay, click File, New Visual Machine. You also can click here. They are same. The same step. You can click here, or you can click File, New Visual Machine. Okay, everyone got the same pop-up with like me? Okay, good. Okay, select typical recommended, click next. Then select the last option. I will install the operating system later. Click next. Okay, now we will install Linux system, Linux server. So click select Linux. Then version. Okay, we will install Linux, which means Rocky Linux. The main distro is Red Hat, so you have to find a Red Hat Enterprise. So here, Red Hat Enterprise Linux. Select the latest version. Okay, in here we have Linux version 8. Okay, so select the latest version 8. Don't worry, we will install Rocky Linux version 9, 9.1. Don't worry, because the Linux 9.1, the architecture is 64-bit, so we can use Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8 64-bit. Make sure you select 64-bit. Okay, the next. Okay, now rename the virtual machine. Okay, this name for the virtual machine. Okay, okay, let's rename the machine as Linux server. Okay, we rename it. Okay, Linux SVR underscore minimum SVR1. Okay, SVR1. Then location, click browse. Okay, then we go. I prefer save in drive C. Okay, we create new folder for our VM. Okay, click local disk C, then click make new folder. Okay, rename the folder. Make a habit. I like to make this folder same name with the virtual machine. Why? Because to make me easy to find the folder. Okay. Okay, this is my habit. Okay, you can rename it as you like, whatever. You can name it as cat, chicken, whatever. It doesn't matter. Okay, just rename. Okay, then select the folder, click OK. Okay, make sure the VM name correct, then location also correct location. Okay, then click next. Okay, for the this size. Okay, by default the system will suggest the minimum size. For this server, we put 100 gig and select store virtual disk on a single file. Okay, if you select the second option, split virtual disk into multiple files, so the system will split the file. Okay, from 100 gig it will split maybe 10 gig. It depends on the system. Okay, if you select store in the single file, it will store everything in the single file. Okay, click next. Okay, make sure you select store in a single file, click next, then click finish. Okay, you got same with what I got. Okay, good. Okay, before we power on the virtual machine, okay, we must double check. Okay, memory, because we want to set up this Linux system to become server. So 2 gig memory maybe too low. Okay, click memory. We upgrade the memory 4 gig. Just click 4 gig here. Okay, automatic the value will increase. Yeah. Okay, then processor. Okay, the processor we upgrade it to 2 processor, 2 core. Each processor 2 core. Okay, it will be total 4 core. Okay, hard disk we already setting the hard disk. And CD, okay, the CD we will use ISO image. Okay, ISO image. So click use ISO image file, click browse, and browse to your image file. Okay, my image file I save on my C drive under images. Okay, if you use a the lab PC, it will same as mine in the images, in the folder images. Okay, we select the ISO file. Okay, Rocky 9.1. Okay, everyone got? Okay, good. Select and click open. Okay, then network adapter. Click network adapter. Select bridge and tick replicate physical network connection state. Okay, so it will replicate exactly the physical network card. Okay, then that's it. Just memory, processor, CD, and network. Okay. Okay, click OK. Okay, now our VM is ready. Okay, this VM is same as a physical system. Okay. Okay. So you have to use it same as you use the physical system, the hardware is the physical hardware. Okay. So but it different in different way. So the on the physical hardware, to on the system you have on button. So in this VM, the on button is here. Okay, this word power on this virtual machine. This the on button for the VM. Okay, click power on this virtual machine. Just click OK. Okay, click inside. Okay, then press arrow key, up arrow key. Select the top one. Install Rocky Linux 9.1. By default, the system will select the second one. Test this media. Don't test media. It will test every the installation media, the ISO file. Just select the first one. Press the up key. Install Rocky Linux 9.1 and press enter. Okay. Okay. Now the setup wizard is loading the Rocky Linux setup. Okay, for the welcome to Rocky Linux Windows, just select language we will use. We select English. English US. Click continue. Okay, under here have a message. Just click I finish installing. Okay, okay. Okay, first we set the time and date. Okay, check the time and date. Okay, check your region. Easy, just click on the map. Okay. Okay, if you from Jakarta, just click Jakarta. Okay, under there. If you from China, just click China map. Where is China? I don't know. Okay, just click from Kuala Lumpur. Okay, click done. Okay, then okay, click software selection. Okay, we will install minimal install. Okay, then select standard. The standard will install all the standard package for the Linux. Then select legacy Unix compatibility. Then select network server. Scroll down, just scroll down, select network servers. And then after that, security tools. Okay, scroll down and system tools. So we have select file option, system tool, security tools, network servers, three Linux, legacy Unix compatibility and standard. Okay, so select file option in the minimum installation, then click done. Okay, so far everyone okay. Okay, good. Okay, then next click installation destination. Okay, make sure the hard disk, our hard disk is marked with I have a tick in here. Just verify. Okay, click done. Okay, then click network and host name. Okay, make sure this button at the right corner, top right, make sure this button is on, blue color. If the button on, then you will get the IP address from the HTTP server. Okay, so this IP address, we will use this IP address to configure our server. So write down your IP address. Hold on, I want to write my IP address. Never mind, I write here. Notepad. So my IP address will be 192.168.0.115. Okay, /24. Okay, what is the /24? Is the prefix. You must remember the prefix and the gateway 192.168.0.1. This one is gateway. Okay, our gateway, my gateway. This is my IP. Okay, click done. Okay, then scroll down. You have root password. Click root password. Okay, enter the root password. Okay, root in Linux. In Linux, root is the administrator. Okay, in Windows, the admin is administrator, but in root in Linux, the administrator will be is root. Root is the administrator. Just enter your root password, the administrator password. Okay, remember, you must remember the password, don't forget. Okay, then tick this, allow root SSH login with password. Okay, you must tick this because after finish installation, we will remove to the server. We will not configure the server direct. We will configure the server from the outside. Okay, outside from the VM. Okay, finish. Click done. Just click done 2 times. Okay, scroll. Okay. Okay, everyone. Okay. Okay. Click begin installation. Okay. This normally will it will take around 50 minutes, but depend on your hardware. Okay, you can sit back or you can take a break for 15 minutes until the installation process done. Okay, we break for 15 minutes. Sorry, 10 minutes. Okay, okay, let's continue. Okay, my installation is done, complete. If your installation is complete, just click reboot system button at the bottom. Click reboot system. Okay, done. Okay, let's log in. Okay, first login, just typing root and key in your password. Okay, voila. Okay, this means success. Our installation is success. I can log in as root. Okay, you see here, yeah, if you log in as root, here is hash. Okay, the symbol hash will appear at the end before the person. Okay, and uh, at the beginning it will state the username. Here root. This one is username and followed by the host name. So the host name we have to change. This default host name localhost. Okay, before we change the host name, double check the network IP address. Okay, to check the IP address, the command is IP space A. Then enter. Okay, you can check the IP address here. My IP address still the same, 192.168.0.115. Prefix 24. Okay. Then make sure also check the network card. Okay, the network card. My network card name is ENS160. Okay, 160. Okay, just write here. ENS160. Okay. Okay, NIC. Okay. Okay. Now, first, test our connection to outside to the internet. Ping 1.1.1.1.1. Okay, good. My server can access to the internet. Okay, to stop the ping, just press Ctrl C. Okay. Okay. The ping will stop. Okay, that's it for the preparation before we start to configure our server. Everyone okay? Okay, I wait for you for 5 minutes for everyone finish the installation. Okay, everyone finished. Okay, and now our server is already finished installed. Now we want to remove our server from the outside. Okay, this server, this VM, this visual server, we can minimize it. Okay, or you can leave it open there. Okay, How to remote to the server? Okay, to remote we will use PowerShell. Click Windows button and type PowerShell. Okay, open Windows PowerShell. Select right click and run as administrator. Click yes. Okay, now the PowerShell is open. Okay. Okay, hold on. I'll make the font bigger. Font size 20. Okay, I think it's better. 20. Okay, how to remote? Okay, we will use SSH. Okay. We will log in as root. So remember the IP. Okay, my server IP is 192.168.0.115. Okay, just press enter. Okay, good. Now, okay, we have the connection to the server. Just answer yes and key in the password, the root password. Okay, don't worry. The password you type is invisible. Just key in your password and press enter. Okay, now I have login to the server. Okay, you can see root, of course. If you see at the virtual machine, it's nothing. It's like nothing happened there because we remote. We not directly log into the server, but we remote it from our host. Okay, so now we verify. Okay, if you want verify, just click IPA to check the IP. We have a same IP, right? You can see, right? Where is it? Yeah, same IP. Okay, it means we log into the correct server. Okay, now we want to configure. This IP is from the HCP server. Okay, the IP maybe depend on the DHCP server setting. If the server set, we can use the IP for 1 hour. So after 1 hour, the server will send new IP. So we want use this IP for quite long to set up our Linux server. So we must make it static. This is dynamic. It will change. So how to set up a static IP? We type the command nmtui, okay? Network Manager Tool User Interface. Just press enter. Okay, you will get this. Okay, Network Manager Tool. Okay, first we set the host name. Okay, host name. By default, the host name is localhost. So we want to change the host name. Okay, select that. Okay, yeah. Okay, with the host name, let's name this server as Linux SVR01. Click OK. Or in here you cannot click. You have to use keyboard. Press tab until you reach OK. Enter or enter. Then select edit connection. Enter. Press arrow key to the right and select edit. Okay. Okay. Press arrow key to the down and then until you reach IPv4 configuration. IPv4 configuration automatic. Then press enter. And then select manual. Okay. Then go to the press key to the right, select show, enter. Okay, press down key, select addresses, click add, select add and press enter. Okay, now you enter your IP address. You want to make it static 192.168, the same IP 115. Then the subnet is 24. Okay, then enter your gateway. Okay, DNS. Okay, DNS server 192.168.0.1. Okay, we add another DNS. The open Google DNS 1.1.1.1. Okay. Okay, search domain you can leave it blank. Number 1. Okay, just go down until you reach require IPv4 addressing for destination. Okay, select this. Press spacebar. So the X will appear. The X means we select the option. Okay, go down. Okay, make sure these two automatically connect, available to all user. All both select. You select both option, then go down until reach OK. Okay, then press enter. Everyone okay? Okay, good. Enter. Okay, then press right key to the right, then down until reach back. Press enter. Okay, then go down until quick and select OK. Okay, done. Okay, done. Everyone done. Okay, you check the host name. How to check host name? How to check the host name? Okay, just wait a second. I clear the screen. How to clear all this? The screen is full. Okay, how to clear? The command is clear. Clear. Yes. Now the screen is clear. Okay. How to check host name? The command is host name ctl. Okay. Now the host name. Okay. The host name is Linux SVR01. Okay. Chassis VM. Okay. The system running on VM. This our kernel. Okay. Everything here. Okay. Now the OS Rocky Linux 9.1. Okay, everything the basic setup we have done already. Now before we go to the next configuration, check for the update package for our Rocky Linux. Okay, how to check? Okay, the command is dnf -y. -y means answer yes to all the question. Okay, the answer yes to all the question. Okay, DNF, then update. Okay, now we check for the update. This same like window update. Just press enter. Okay, this depend on the update. If the update if we have many updates, so it will take a longer time. So the update is 66 package. Okay, wait until it finish. Okay, complete. Okay, next, after we update, we upgrade. Okay, normally it will automatically upgrade, but we just to make sure in case maybe some upgrade maybe To just make sure all the update is upgrade. Okay, just key in the command dnf -y upgrade. Enter. Just to double check. Okay, nothing to do. Okay, good. Everything is upgrade. Okay, then reboot. Apa sebut? reboot. Reboot. Press enter. You can see now before I press enter, see here. Here is our remote from the host. This is our real server. If I enter, press enter. You can see the server is reboot. Now the connection is closed. Okay, closed by remote host. Okay, we wait until the server done reboot process. Okay, our server have done the reboot. Okay, we remove back to the server. SSH, use the command SSH command, same IP, because we have set the static IP. Just enter. Key in the root password. Okay, done. Okay, clear. Okay. Nicely done. Okay, next we create a few users. Okay. Root is our main administrator. Now we create a second administrator. Okay, now I want how to create a second administrator. Just the command is to create user. The command is user add. Then the username. Okay, and let's say I want to make me to be the second administrator, ZMS. Okay, then create the password. Okay, the command is PASWD. ZMS. Enter. Okay, okay, the password. Enter the password for ZMS. Okay, enter second time. Okay, done. Updated successfully. Okay. Okay, how to check user we create? How to check? This is user ZMS. Is it is in the list? Okay, how to check the list? Okay, go check the list in cat /etc/PESSWD. All user created in the server will be listed under PASSWD file. Just press enter. Okay, so you can see here down here, the user. Okay, every user we create, the system will automatically create the user home folder, the user folder. Okay, where is it, this folder? Okay, if you want to check, okay, the folder is, okay, first we check where we are. How to know where we are? Just press pwd. Okay, to check. Okay, we under root folder, so cd dot space dot to out from the root. Okay, check back pwd. Now we are outside. Okay, so we go to this folder. We go to the home first. So how to go to the home? cd home /home. Enter. Okay, now we check what in this folder, in home, what is folder or file exists in under home. So to check, to list all the file or folder under home, the command is ls. Enter. So there is one folder, this one. Okay, okay, ls, or you can check you can key in ls minus al. It will list all the hidden file and folder. Okay, with detail. Okay, this two is hidden folder. How I know it's folder or file? So if you see here, d means directory, or folder. D means directory. If in front here there is no d, dash like this, it means there is a file. Okay, okay, in here is have one folder. Okay, now we create another under user. Okay, user add. Okay, let's say we create student 01. Enter. Then we create the password passwd student 01. Okay, we create another two, student 02 and student 03. Okay, then we create the password for student 02. Okay, then create for student 03. Okay, now clear. Okay, we check the cat slash etc slash pass wd. Okay, I don't want to show all, to list all the user in the password list. I just want to check username student. Okay, right. Okay, okay, we have here student. Okay, if I use this command, only this, it will list all the user, root, everything, all the system username. Here is the user we just created. Okay, okay, let's try our login as a new user. Okay, we exit first, exit. Okay, now we close the connection is lost. Okay, I'm back to the C prompt, to the Windows. Okay, now we change this user. I login as ZMS. Password. Okay. Okay, now I have login as ZMS. Yeah. To the Linux server 01. Can you see the difference? Here is $sign. Previous I login as a root. The symbol here is hash. Okay. Hash mean root. Okay. If the symbol is dollar, it mean the you are logging as a user. Okay, now try to list all content of in the root folder. Okay, permission denied. Why? Because this user ZMS is a user, a normal user. This user didn't have a right as a admin or as admin privilege. Okay, let's try. Okay, you can see if I use sudo command in front, so also cannot execute this command to show to see the content in the root folder. So how to make this user ZMS to be a to have a admin privilege? So to make this ZMS to have the admin privilege, we have to add this user into the admin group in Linux or in Rocky Linux or in Red Hat. The group for the admin called wheel group. Okay, first we check the user group. This user, okay, the group, okay, the ZMS group, he has no group, just his own group. Okay, so we want to add another group here, wheel. Okay, how to add? The command is we have to log in as root first. Okay? So we change to root, SUROT, root. Okay, enter the root password. Enter the root password. Okay, now I have login as root. You can see here root. Previous ZMS. Now I'm root, and the symbol here is hash. Okay, different here $sign, here hash. So now I'm logging as a root. Okay, so I add this user mode. Okay, minus a capital G space the group name will and the username. Okay, now I will add this user ZMS into the V group. Alright, just enter. Okay, that's it. Finish. Okay, I exit to ZMS back. Okay, exit. Okay, now I execute this. Oh, first check the group. You can see okay. Okay, we execute back this command. Okay, ZMS still cannot run this command, so we have to check in v sudo file. Oh, sorry, we have to run it as root. Okay, check v sudo. Okay, sudo scroll down. We have to enable wheel group. Scroll down until okay here. Remove the hash. Ready? Okay, to delete, we have to press I. Then the insert appear. Then press. Make sure the cursor is here. Okay, anyway. Okay, find this one. Okay, the cursor here. Then press delete. Okay, to enable wheel. Okay, finish. Escape. Then how to exit? Shift colon the W is means right, Q click, enter. We have to enable wheel group and we have to edit vsudo vsudo on. First we have to login as root, then edit vsudo. Okay. Press I to edit, and underline under root. Okay, we add ZMS equal ZMS all. You can't see it. Okay, I put hash here. All equal all close bracket space A and L all. So we give ZMS can run all command anyway. Okay, delete, remove the hash. Okay, then escape colon WQ. Okay, so I exit from the root. Now go back to the ZMS. Okay, try to execute the command sudo ls -al/root. Okay, now ZMS can execute this command. ZMS can view, can list content of the root folder. Okay, that's it. This means now ZMS have admin privilege. So after this we will configure our server using ZMS or as a user to configure the server. Okay, that's it for the class for today. We will continue tomorrow for the next configuration. Okay, before we end the class, we have to shut down the server. Okay, how to shut down server from the remote? Okay, the command is, okay, now I'm as a normal user. Okay, so the command is sudo power off. Okay, sudo power off, POWEROFF. Then press enter. Okay, now you can see the server is there, shut down, the off. Okay, after this you can just click off. The connection also close. Now I'm back to the command prompt. Okay, you can close everything. Okay, that's it. Thank you. See you tomorrow.